Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So you already know by the title, this video is on my November Ipsy bag. I had to think about that. Totally forgot. I thought I was gonna say October. Anyways, so if this is your first time watching this type of video, I try on each item that's in my bag and then I let you guys know how I feel about them. So I'll let you know if I like them, dislike them, and just tell you all my thoughts and opinions on them. So without further ado, let's get into my November Ipsy bag. So November Ipsy bag, this is how it's looking. Look at this. I'm liking it. This is a keeper. This is actually 4 vibes and I'm loving it. Let's get into the bag. Of course, they bring a little pamphlet and I am so happy they do. There's a description on each item. The first item I'll be using is this right here. This is from Urban Botanics Ultra Glow Moroccan Rose Mask. The description says, smart skincare backed by science. This multitasking face mask smells just like fresh roses and is made with pink clay, aloe, and algae to heal, strengthen, and protect your skin while naturally calming inflammation and redness. I like that because I do get redness around here. So that's awesome. It also says apply a generous, even layer to your face and neck. Allow the mask to dry for 15 minutes. Rinse well with warm water. Wash off in circular motion to exfoliate your skin. My thoughts and opinions on this. So opening this up. Oh my gosh. Whoa. This is like muddy. Oh, it smells so good. It really does smell like roses. What I don't like off the back is that right here, it was like a big, you could say like a big bubble. It was no product here. So I feel like I received less than I should have because of that bubble that was in here. But this right here, let me start applying because this is gonna dry on me and I am not with it. Like it's already on my fingers. Gonna dip into here and just start applying. So it can be an even layer. I'm going to let this dry. It says 15 minutes. I'm gonna let it dry for 15 minutes and I'll be back. My thoughts on this Ultra Glow Moroccan Rose Mask. I absolutely love it. Let's talk about the smell first. I actually like the smell. It's not overbearing and it doesn't smell artificial. It smells really good. Applying this on my face felt amazing and a little bit goes a long way. While I was taking this mask off, oh my god, it felt so amazing. My skin feels smoother than before. This says Ultra Glow, so I was expecting my face to look more glowy, but I feel like it looks refreshed and replenished. So that's what I like. I just love how it felt on my skin. I was there for so long. I just kept on going in circular motion. Like I'm literally closing my eyes because that's how I was. I was just like this, like, wow, this is amazing. It feels so good. And it was just calming me. I just love it. But I just feel dried right around here. That's it. Make anything, no matter what scrub, no matter what mask, I always apply moisturizer after because I do feel dry afterwards, no matter what. Even if my skin feels so smooth and like it gives a little bit of a glow, I still need to apply moisturizer because I do have dry skin. Talking about moisturizer, the next item, I know we have a cream. Yes, we have the Coco Cabana cream from Sol de Janeiro. This is a body cream though, so honestly, I want to try it no matter what. So let's just try this. I think this is so adorable. The packaging is so cute and the color. This is my color. This Brazilian beauty brand creates confidence boosting products like this better than ever body cream. It's made with coconut oil, cacupa butter, I don't know how to say that, and their signature cocoa sugar blend to deliver up to 72 hours of hydration. This smells freaking amazing. I'm so sorry, but this smells so good. I know this is body cream, but I'm honestly gonna use some on my face right now because I need some hydration, and this is really thick, so I think a little bit goes a long way. Oh yeah, a little bit goes a long way. So let's talk about this cream, okay, because I use it for my face. I absolutely freaking, I'm in love. First, let's just talk about the packaging. It's so cute, it's adorable. You can just throw it in your bag. The color, this is my color, so it just pulls me in. Now, let's talk about the smell. When you open this, no matter where you at, I'm in New York and it's cold outside. And when I open this, I feel like I was back in Miami in the beach, because the smell, it just smells so good, so tropical. Wow, I love it. But the product itself, whoa, it's thick, so a little bit goes a long way. And I mean, it's sticky. That's the only thing. It's sticky since it's so thick. I wonder if it actually does stay on for 72 hours. Like 72 hours? Really? Not 24 hours. 72. That's first of all, we do take showers. So you're trying to tell me even after taking a shower, this is still working? You still feel it? I don't know. That's the only thing I'm like, about. So the next item, let's see. What's the next item that I have to use? Okay, this one right here. This thing right here is the Lock It Good Foundation in 4 Light Buff. This brand draws from K-Beauty and NYC's vibrant energy, and you enjoy the best of both worlds with this innovative foundation / BB cream hybrid. It's made with witch hazel and collagen. It hydrates, soothes, and calms skin while providing lasting full coverage. Apply a generous layer to your face and blend with a brush, sponge, or fingertips. Wonder if this is my color. I'm scared. This is not bad at all. We're using a sponge. You will have to apply a little bit more to receive full coverage. When you use a sponge, it takes a little bit more of the product, but it evens it out and it moisturizes more, because since the sponge is wet. That's why I like using a sponge. It gives it more of a natural look. The color is really good. It just looks natural. It doesn't sit on my skin. This BB / foundation cream is amazing. I actually do like it. It's a velvety smooth whipped cream texture. I apply some bronzer, highlight, and mascara. Now I'm gonna get back into the bag, and the next item is this right here. This is the Gigi Gorgeous The Only Blush in Pride. Named for the YouTube personality, author, and activist, Gigi Gorgeous is a limited edition and Ipsy exclusive collection of essentials to get you glowing on your own terms. This pink pearlescent gold flected blush delivers a subtle wash of color that builds beautifully. Oh, it's cruelty free and vegan. Ooh, I'm loving that. Oh, this is cute. Simple, but I'm liking it. This is how the inside looks. The blush looks beautiful. You definitely can see that it's gonna give you a glow. Dip it in. Okay, so with this blush, I'm liking because you can have, if you are having like a natural look and you just want a little bit of blush, this will look so good because you will get a wash of color but also a glow with it. So it will bring you like a youthful look. Now, if you have like a dramatic look and you want some like color to your cheeks, you also could build this up and it will give you, again, color but also some glow to it. So you could just use this both ways, and I am loving it. And it's like, come on, this is vegan and cruelty free. Why not? I really, really like this. The last product is this right here. This is the Hola Neon Tinted Lip Balm in Call Me. They're fun, lighthearted, and full of spirit. Hola Neon's products always make us smile. Made in a universally flattering rosy nude, this tinted balm hydrates and softens lips while enhancing your natural lip color and builds from a sheer wash to rich yet natural looking color. I am absolutely happy I received this in my bag, because this will go with anything. Like, you can have a full-blown makeup, full coverage, full-blown, like everything, and you can apply this. It will go with it. You can have just a natural look, you know, just doing the bare minimum, nothing crazy, and you can apply this. You can have no makeup on and you can apply this. It just looks so good and just hydrates your lips. So it's like, wow, I'm loving it. Oh my god, I'm so happy. My overall thoughts for November's Ipsy bag. The bag, I love it, okay? Absolutely love it. The products though, I'm blown away, okay? I am blown away. I have nothing at all, like nothing bad to say. The two products I'll be throwing in my bag everywhere I go are these two. The cream, the body cream, and the tinted lip balm. They're amazing. I love it. But I'm not saying I don't like these right here. I absolutely love them too. I would throw this in my bag too, because it's so sleek and it's just easy to throw in the bag. I'm loving it. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I love all of them. I am done. That's it. I'm done. So with that being said, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and it was helpful. If you receive Ipsy, please let me know down below which items you receive, which items you like or dislike. I would love to know. If you don't receive Ipsy and you want to, I will leave the link down below in the description box, so just look out for that. And yeah, guys, I hope you have a wonderful day or a wonderful night. Be safe, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.